Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Auth0 social login for a React SaaS app, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Auth0 social login for your React SaaS app, start by creating an Auth0 account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Auth0 dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Applications section. Create a new application by selecting the Create Application button. Choose a name for your application and select Single Page Application as the application type. Next, move to the Settings tab of your newly created application. Make a note of your domain, client ID, and client secret, as you'll need them later. Scroll down to the Allowed Callback URL section. Add the URL where your React app will handle the authentication callback. This is typically http://localhost 3000 during development. Enter the same URL in the Allowed Logout URL section. Now navigate to the Connections tab in the left sidebar. You'll see various social login options like Google, Facebook, and Twitter. Select the social login services you wish to enable. For each service, click on the toggle to enable it. You may need to provide new credentials, such as your Google or Facebook app ID and secret. Once enabled, head over to your React application. Install the Auth0 React SDK by running npm install at auth0/auth0 react in your project directory. In your src folder, create a new file called auth0 provider-with-history.js. Import necessary modules from the Auth0 SDK and React router. Wrap your application in the Auth0 provider component. Pass in the Auth0 domain and client ID using environment variables. Navigate to your main application file, typically app.js. Import the Auth0 provider-with-history component. Replace your root component with Auth0 provider-with-history. Next, create a new component for handling login and logout. Use the useAuth0 hook to access authentication methods. Implement buttons for login and logout using login with redirect and logout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.